Everyone, welcome to my channel. Good evening from all over the world. I wish you all a beautiful evening and I hope everyone is fine from wherever you are watching me. A very much welcome in this channel once again. Today I'm just here randomly wanting to know how you guys are doing. It's been a while since I posted a video and I thought I'd just come online today and hear something from you guys. First of all, I want to appreciate everyone who has been constantly watching my videos and even my loyal subscribers. I mean, you guys are bomb. Without you guys, I would probably not be where I am here. Now, I I don't know. I I just appreciate every one of you who is always clicking my videos, watching my videos, learning from my videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting down there. I so much appreciate deep bottom from my heart, and I am looking forward for more and even great things to come. Now, the aim of this video today is not anything to do with learning or any lesson. I just came here because I want to hear something from you guys. I would so much love to hear what you guys would like me to teach you, what you would like me to bring online there, and what you would prefer. What kind of topics do you feel I should bring or I should let you learn? This is what I would like to hear from you. I am looking forward to read from your comments downside there. Make sure you comment, drop your comments, your wishes, and whatever you would like that I bring in this channel, or any lessons you would prefer, your personal taste. I am looking forward to that. So without wasting much time, go down there, take your keyboard and type in whatever you think or whatever you think you want to tell me, and I will so much appreciate, so that I can prepare for the next lesson and most probably bring you that what you most probably want in this channel. With those few words, I want to bind up and wish you all a beautiful night, a peaceful night, and an amazing evening from all over the world. Thank you so much once again. Keep subscribing if you haven't. And